Will ChatGPT take over the Google? It's been one of the most asked questions on the internet. Well, that's a straight no. See you in the next video. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. But the ChatGPT has blown away the internet with its rising popularity. It can give people answers to almost any of their queries. Whether it be writing stories, poetry, articles, or even code snippets. Though Google is aggressively working on their AI technology to fill the gap, but it's been slow in releasing them to the public, fearing its after effect to the society. Part of the problem is that the answer contains human data. That means misinformation, racism, and biasness can bleed its way to chatbot's learning model, giving unsavory answers, while ChatGPT still struggles to give factually accurate answers. So there's plenty of reason to remain skeptical about the AI GTP taking over Google search engine anytime soon. That's all for today's video. See you next time.